Excel is a spreadsheet, right? Wrong! Today I'm going to show you how you can build a fully functional snake game inside Microsoft Excel using VBA. Yes, you heard me right. We are playing games in Excel. Let me show you how it's done. The first thing I'll do is to add a brand new worksheet by clicking on the plus button at the bottom here and maybe zoom in at about 175% like this. And then rename this sheet 11 to, maybe call it snake game like this. After that, you're going to press Alternate F11 to launch your VBA editor. On this sheet that you just created, you're going to paste this VBA subroutine. And after that, you're going to go to the modules here, right click on the modules, insert modules, and you're going to paste another set of VBA subroutine. Now, if you like a copy of this VBA subroutine, please leave a request on the comment section and I'll show you how you can get it. Now, to initialize your new worksheet, simply place your cursor anywhere on this Start Snake game here and hit the play button like this. So what it does is that it creates a template of your worksheet for the snake game. Now, every time you want to launch your game, you got to bring your cursor down to your Start Snake function here and hit play. Now, that becomes a bit inconvenient, doesn't it? Well, let's add a button. Go to developer. Now, if you don't have a developer on this ribbon, right click on a ribbon here, customize the ribbon, and make sure there's a check next to the developer and click on OK. Once that's done, go to developer and go to insert under form controls. You're gonna insert a button here, place the button, and you're gonna associate that button with this Start Snake game function like this. And after that, you can change the font in here by right clicking on it, edit text. And then maybe we're gonna call it more intuitive, gonna call it start with 2 exclamation. And you can also change the font size in here by going to home, maybe make it a bit bigger, bold it. The other thing I like to do is to go to view, get rid of the grid line here. It makes it more presentable. Now, if you click on start, you can start playing your snake game like this. Now, this game comes in 2 modes. This is a slow mode where you can see the speed is pretty consistent. Now, you can change the speed by putting a check next to a speed up button here and click on start. Now, you can see every time when you start to eat your food, or rather the snake eats the food, your snake starts to speed up. Well, so this is how you build a snake game in Excel VBA. Who knew spreadsheet could be so much fun? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more Excel magic. I've got some other crazy project coming up. Maybe a Pac-Man in Excel? Let me know in the comment section what game you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.